All right, guys, we're back. This is day 3 for the community car build at Wingman Garage. Aaron, what do we got going on?
All right, good job, by the way. Good job. Today we were supposed to be doing a lift kit, but we're not gonna do a lift kit today. We're gonna actually use today to catch up on a lot of the things that we have not finished with events 1 and 2. I wanna get one of the flares, the new fenders for the front on today. It's way more involved than I thought it was, so we're just gonna get one on because I haven't had time to prep the other side. We'll get the flares on for the rear. We're gonna put the front bumper back on with the winch plate. We're gonna put some fog lights in, and I wanna wire up the halos for the turn signal and daytime DRL. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be an easy day. I say that now that I've said it, it's not gonna be easy. Just ruin the whole thing. Yeah, we'll just jump into it, and it's gonna be good. Back to you, Dan, at the station.
Thanks, Aaron. Back here at the station. All right, so I'm ready, you're ready. Let's get started.
Would you ladies like to take a flare? I'm not sure which side is which. So if I put this all the way down here, it seems high. Let me see if what hardware they gave us for you to bolt these on, and then we'll get them on there. Well, how about this? One of you holds it. I'm gonna get a punch, and I'm gonna make some center punches. Then we'll take it off, drill the holes, and then you can start bolting it on.
Aaron, real fast, are we getting this thing aligned when we're done?
Oh yeah, because the front tie rod, when I first got it, it was so far out of alignment, it was like -8 degrees out on the front. I had to bring it all back in.
Yeah,
once we get the lift kit on, we'll do all alignment, it'll be good.
When it comes to Jeeps, are you a duck guy or are you not a duck guy?
You know, I would say that I'm not a duck guy. When you guys asked the question a minute ago, I actually Googled it to see what it was because I didn't know, and I would say that I am not a duck guy.
I would say I became a duck guy when I bought a Jeep. I didn't really understand it until I bought a Jeep, but I think it's a community thing.
Oh, not a duck fan. Not a duck fan at all.
It doesn't matter to me. I think some of the ducks are cool. I think maybe it's a little carried away sometimes, but you know, it's your Jeep. You do whatever you want with your Jeep, man. Duck it.
I am strongly an anti-duck person. I see the ducks. I don't own a Jeep, so maybe that might be why, but
Full anti-duck person. I can't do it.
Why?
I could just see it now. You get into a wreck and the ducks just going everywhere, all over the place, and it's just a complete hazard.
I'm a duck person.
You're a duck person? Why are you a duck person?
12 in my mom's Jeep, and I bought like 9 of them for her.
What's up with the ducks?
They're cheap. They're fun.
Yeah.
And you can leave them on people's cars. I left the first one on Sarge. The camouflage one is me.
Gabe, Luke, I'd like to put you guys on bumper duty. This bolts on with this winch plate here. I'm gonna cut this down and put it back on there later, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. Okay? For your future endeavors. Oh, thanks, man. Loosely, so we can see what I need to take off the front to make it fit. How's it looking?
Yeah, where's the rest of the bumper?
That's it. 13. That's how it was. It's a TJ.
Cool.
I feel like that's not enough. That's for the 4.
Yeah, that's for the 4 and 10.
Okay.
And these must be the ones for the front.
For the top.
For the top.
So real quick, use 4 of these here for here. We'll use the stock ones for here. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And the other stock ones for 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So it goes above, like that. So this kind of stays here as the drip pan. No, I'll do that later next week. This was a lot to do. I ran out of time to get both sides prepped, so I want to get one side done so we at least know how it looks. Because I might have to modify this cut, let's get the back side bolted in loosely so we can see what I need to take off up front to make it fit.
What's going on, Aaron?
Well, the issue we're having is this very nice brand new piece seems like it's a hair short, unless we. Ooh, hold on a sec. Grab one of the bolts. We're gonna see if we can make it work, Dan. If you get it going, just run it in. Yeah, put another one in. Go for it. Yeah, that'll work. What's the problem? It looks too good, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, it looks way too good. I could never have done a job that good.
That's exactly what I thought you were gonna say.
Yeah. 100%.
Thanks.
There's no way I could have done it.
No way. Not even no way in heck. Ooh, somebody opened them. All right. Next up on the list. Look at this. I like fog lights, okay? Fog lights are cool. And it's a Jeep. If anything anybody knows about Jeeps and people that have Jeeps, they put as many lights on them as possible. And ducks. But mainly lights. I like the ducks. I have ducks, live ducks, that live at my house. So it's fitting. And my daughter likes ducks. Who wants to do the fog lights? Luke and Tim, you guys are on the fog lights. They go together like this. Boom, 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 boom. These bolts go here with a crush washer. Tim's new to wrenching. He's a master mechanic. You can learn a lot from each other.
He will show me.
Yeah. Pull this wiring harness down and out of here. So break this off, because we're gonna cut these and use these for the other lights. Well, actually, you know what? Yeah, it comes in down there, but I think you.
It's not part of it.
Right, it's not part of that.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, go ahead and just cut them out and see if you can get both of these wires back through this grommet into the engine bay so we can use them for the headlights. Okay, do me a favor.
Yep.
Go and just turn on the running lights. I shouldn't get electrocuted doing this.
All right, so while everybody's kind of winding down, finishing up, let's talk about the next event for this bad boy. It's gonna be June 18th, 7 p.m. here at Wingman Garage.
We're doing lift kit then. We'll be lifting it. And maybe doing an oil change, maybe, I don't know.
While it's in the air getting a new lift kit, somebody's gonna do the oil.
Could be you.
Could be you. So
18th.
June 18th,
Boom.
see you then.
I can't tell you.
Just one? Yeah, just one hit. Just give it one hit.
No, because hold on, I gotta think about this because I'm gonna regret it later. I'm gonna be like, no, you see, because all the other hunts have been, you guys have been too good at them. So this one's gonna be hard. First hunt, 47 minutes. I was mortified. I was like, I'm gonna be here all day. 47 minutes. People flying in the parking lot at high voltage. It was crazy. Second hunt, hour and 23 minutes to summit. The first person that got it. I was like, God. But no, the hunt this year is gonna be pretty cool. I really don't think any of you guys are I can't. I'm just like, I gotta shut up. You're not doing anything to help me shut up.
I think you should give
I
one.
wanted to. Ooh. Well, that's not gonna work again. And I wanna say. Oh, I'm on. You can hear me, can't you? Pretend like I'm saying something really important and put this in the video, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah. Like, yeah. Crazy.
Are you sure that's a good idea?
No, it's not good. Yeah, okay, let's do this. Let's all take a break. Let's take a look at it. Now, I know that the other side's not on, but this side looks really good. Eric, hit the lights. No, on the wall. Sorry. Woo! Well, let me turn the headlight on too now. Yeah.
Okay, so Aaron, that I think we're done for the night. Yeah.
Yeah, we got
What happened?
3 of the 4 flares on the Jeep. This front fender is looking awesome. You guys killed it on the front. The ladies did a great job on the rear flares. Those look awesome. I will finish up with some new tech screws, get them in there. Under the hood, we didn't do much under the hood actually. You got video of the DRLs and the turn signals? Yeah, we got those wired in. I'll finish up the other side. Front bumper is mounted. Thank you, gentlemen, for taking care of that. With the winch plate, I'm gonna get it all washed up. Should have a winch for next event. We'll put a winch on there, get it wired in, make sure it works. And fog lights are in. We're gonna get those wired in too on their own button on inside. It was a good day. It was a good day. You guys killed it. As always, you guys killed it. Good job.
Thank you to everybody. That's a good job. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning. All right, guys, we're back for day 3. Actually, kind of felt nice. That was weird.
Okay. Who do I got here? Okay. So, let me redo that. Where did I start? I was leaning in so you could take the mic.
Oh. So you're gonna whisper something in my ear. He was leaning in. I thought he was gonna not like kiss me or nothing, but like I thought he was trying to whisper something. Anyway.
I'm back live, people. Back live, baby. Oh, I hit a button. Dan, I hit a button.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. It's tickling me. It's tickling my face. Good morning, mechanic, baby. The one, the only, that's not gonna fit. Boom, baby. Woo!
We need a woo! There it is.